As one of HairClub's most popular regrowth offerings, EXT Extreme Hair Therapy incorporates the latest advancements in science and technology to help revitalize and regrow your own hair. Perfect for folks who have viable follicles and a healthy scalp, the EXT solution includes both Minoxidil and laser therapy, which are clinically proven to regrow hair and stop or slow down the progression of further loss. EXT Extreme Hair Therapy is a comprehensive hair regrowth program that combines in-center consultations with a hair health and hair loss expert, along with at-home products. Utilizing some of the latest technological advancements in hair and scalp health, the program starts with a trained image consultant performing a Trichoview analysis of the hair follicles, and scalp, which provides a detailed baseline for future tracking of progress. The at-home regimen is comprised of HairClub's 6-step system, consisting of shampoo, cleanser, conditioner, supplements, a state-of-the-art scalp massager, specifically designed to increase the blood flow to hair follicles, and HairClub's hair regrowth rejuvenator, which contains Minoxidil. Minoxidil is the only FDA-approved topical ingredient clinically proven to regrow hair and slow further loss. The EXT program also includes monthly check-ins that digitally track your progress, along with live consultations with your personal image consultant. During the in-center visits, clients also enjoy access to professional salon services performed by our trained stylists. The EXT service includes a deep conditioning treatment, a relaxing scalp massage, as well as laser light therapy. According to studies provided by the manufacturers, lasers have been shown in double-blind, placebo-controlled studies to be effective with over 90% of users when used as directed. The visit is wrapped up with a professional haircut and style. Equally important, HairClub's hair health experts are available to provide ongoing coaching, counseling, and tips, along with answers to any questions along the way. The use of science and technology, combined with a dedicated support team of hair health experts and stylists, provides for a highly personal, high-touch experience, much like a personal trainer for your hair.